Let's begin the broadcast with inputs coming in from Himachal Pradesh. Massive protest breaks out in Mandi, showdown over illegal mosque. This is what we are getting right now, breaking inputs regarding the protest that is currently underway. The protests are taking place against an alleged illegal mosque in Mandi. Hindu groups are staging protest. On your screens are visuals coming in from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh and measures being taken by the police personnel on ground to disperse the crowd. Water cannons are being used. We're given to understand that the protest is taking place over the alleged illegal mosque. We'll try and connect with the reporters as well to get you the latest of what's transpiring on ground. Amandeep is getting us more details. Amandeep, tell us about these protests that are taking place in Mandi.
Well, absolutely, Swati. Today, Hindu outfits and Hindu organizations are staging the protest against the illegal mosque in Mandi. And itself, the Commissioner Court of Mandi has declared that 2 floors of that mosque is illegal, and after the verdict of that Commissioner Court, all the Hindu outfits has decided to move towards the mosque and to demolish that. Though yesterday, Muslim community has already broke the wall of that masjid by themselves before the court verdict. But today the case was listed on the verdict, and in fact today this verdict has come that the masjid was illegal, and that is the reason this anger has been braked out. And now all the Hindu organizations, Hindu outfits, and in fact the locals, they are demanding that this should be demolished right away today itself, and that is the reason they are moving towards the mosque. Though the police have imposed the section 163 of new laws, and even they have asked not to gather in a maximum number. Barricades has been put in place before the masjid, and even the water cannons has been used to disperse the protesters. Police is dealing with the situation, and in fact the protest is getting bigger and bigger just because all the locals has all of a sudden gathered at the spot and demanding to demolish the masjid right away after getting the verdict of the Commissioner Court of Mandi that the mosque was illegally constructed and that needs to be demolished. And simultaneously the court has also given the time of 30 days to demolish that illegal structure of that masjid. So this is how the protest has been taken in. Just because after Shimla, now Mandi, it has been started throughout the Himachal, and even the people and the Hindu organization, they have started gathering in their own areas against the illegal structures of the masjid. So now the police is dealing with the situation. They are repeatedly sounding the alerts to the protesters to disperse that. The section 163 has already been imposed in the area, and not more than 5 people are allowed to gather. Barricades has been put in place so that at least the mob should not move towards the masjid to demolish it, and even water cannons has been put in place. Heavy police deployment is there, Swati, to deal with the situation, just because the police and the administration have learned so many lessons from Sanjoli incident, and now they are trying to deal the situation in a very different way. Yes, Swati.
Absolutely. So personnel on ground trying to disperse the crowd, trying to handle the situation in an effective manner. Water cannons are being used. Tell us more about what the court said.
Well, so far, the very brief information we have received from the court that it was pending. It was a 30-year-old mosque that was in Mandi, and even the case was filed regarding the illegal structure of that mosque. And in fact, today the Mandi Commissioner Court has decided the case and declared it as illegal. Once this term has come out from the Commissioner Court that this is illegal, this is unauthorized, that need to be demolished, and they have given the time of 30 days to demolish this masjid. All of a sudden, in Mandi, the locals and the Hindu organizations have gathered there and started moving towards the masjid, and even the police have placed the barricades immediately. Section 163 has been imposed. The police has heavily deployed there, and in fact the water cannons put in place, and in fact the mob gathered in 1,000 numbers all of a sudden, just because all locals were participating in that protest. And now the situation is tense, and in fact the police is trying to deal with the situation. Administration is trying to negotiate the talks, just because they are ensuring them that this, according to the order of the court, this mosque will be demolished within 30 days. But they are demanding, they are aggressive to demolish it right away today only. So that turned out to be the very sensitive point, and in fact the panic has been gripped among the area area, the police heavily deployed. Additional police force has also been called in to deal with the situation. Yes, Swati.
Right, so we are playing out both visuals. In fact, Amandeep, stay on with us. First, we saw protests in Shimla, and now protests broke out in Mandi, where the police is taking all the measures to disperse the crowd. But the protest in Mandi is also against illegal construction as far as a mosque is concerned there. The big question is, why are the authorities there, the administration, allowing illegal construction to take place in the first place? Thank you very much, Amandeep, for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more inputs. Moving on.